Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So today, man, we are gonna react to Mixed Global. Who's your bias? Kasama si Philip, and I don't know. Is this like a game? Who's your bias? But I don't know. I don't have any idea yet. But it just shows off on my for you page, and I'm so curious about the title. Who's your bias? And then Philip. So, I mean, on the thumbnail, nakita na natin na si Philip yung kasama ni, or i-interview dito, si Philip lang. No? So, we'll see, man. Without further ado, let's get it.
Hello everyone! This is VJ Ai and welcome to this very fun
Ai?
game of Who's
Ai? So, hindi siya VJI, it's Ai?
Hello everyone! This is VJ Ai and welcome to this
Ai.
very fun game of Who's Your Bias? Woohoo!
Okay, so it's a game. Who's
Okay,
your
so
bias?
let's admit it. Talagang lahat tayo, may mga bias tayo sa mga groups.
Oh, Ken looks so young in here, man.
And yung mga bias natin, may kanya-kanya
But he has the iconic red hair here.
rin silang bias. At yan ang aalamin natin for today as we play Who's Your Bias with Philip!
Hello everyone!
Welcome, Philip,
you
and
po.
congratulations on the release of Bulan!
This is the
Yes,
Bulan
saan
era.
naman Bulan?
Okay.
Dahil ako lang! Yun lang.
Short but sweet, yes.
Yeah.
And of course, congratulations sa success ng Superior Son!
Thank you po.
Oh shit.
Bili
Yes,
na kayo.
represent.
Joke lang.
By the way, the shirts and yung baka damit dito, ang lulupit, no? But the price, man, ang lupit din.
Ba't nga Superior?
Ang lupit din ng price, man.
First po, it's like superior and nasa Bible din po siya, superior son.
So, ang meron tayo dito ay isang fishbowl na merong
Okay.
10 groups and people
Okay. So, I mean, i-explain naman ata niya, no? Ni VJI. But, I guess, sa 10 groups na yon, sasabihin ni Ken kung sino yung bias niya. Oh, okay. Is it going to be like in general? Or is it gonna be like P-pop groups?
ka isa-isa.
Alright.
And then, sasabihin mo sa amin kung sino ba yung bias mo doon, tsaka bakit.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so,
Alright.
are you ready to play Who's Your Bias?
Okay, we're gonna play as well. We are gonna play as well.
Philip! Thank you to our 100 studio audience. So, okay, so, game, Philip, bulit
Game
ka
po.
na ng first group.
Oh!
Pakita mo. Sino to? Ooh,
Blackpink.
Black.
Okay, all right. So before Philip answer, we're gonna answer first. And titingnan natin kung i-compare natin sa answer niya. So, Blackpink, I mean, I don't know. I feel like it's obvious. It's Lisa, man. I mean, maybe Rosie. If we're talking about face card, man, I'm gonna choose Jenny. But overall, I'm Lisa, man. Lisa. If you're gonna ask me why, I mean, Lisa is just fucking dope, man. Lisa is just dope.
Pink
Yes.
in your area. So, what do you love about Blackpink?
Because meron po silang meron silang sariling identity.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just like SB19, no? Di sila parang robots, no? Na grupo na parang kung ano lang yung gusto makita ng mga tao, dapat yun lang yung dating nila, no? Same as SB19, no?
They relate sa akin din.
But
Of course.
the thing is, ang pinaka-magical doon is yung magkakaiba sila pero pag nagsama-sama na sila parang, they're very synchronized. That's just what's magical about it.
Sa mga songs nila, ano yung favorite mo?
Kill is love. Yeah, kill is love.
Yes.
Ten,
Kill
ten,
This Love. Okay, so ito
ten,
na
ten,
ang
yeah,
tanong.
yeah, yeah,
Who's your
yeah.
bias sa Blackpink?
There we go.
Lisa, for sure.
Okay.
Lisa!
Alright, yeah. I mean, it makes sense, no? It makes sense na si Lisa. Yung maging bias ni Ken. I mean, it makes sense kung yung mga tao pipiliing bias si Lisa, no? I don't know what.
Oh my God, baka may hindi ako kilala dito ah. Oh, ito na nga.
Ano to?
Spice
Spice
Girls.
Girls?
Five
Okay.
girls, yeah.
Spice Girls. I mean, I feel like it's Mel, man. No? I mean, I feel like a lot of people will choose Mel as their bias, the Spice Girls, right?
Okay, para sa mga kaalaman ng lahat, they are a 90s girl group. They're one of the biggest. Naabutan mo ba sila?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Hindi ko sila naabutan.
Oh my God. Oh my God, I feel so old sa pagsagot ng anong to. Sa pagsagot ng... Di niya
Muna tayo
sagutin?
ng next natin.
Di niya sinagot. I feel so old. Ba't ko sinagot? Dapat, kunyari, di ko siya kilala eh.
Group?
Bad trip.
Ay, ito na, yung pinakamalupit.
Sex Bomb Girls, man.
Let's
Uy,
go!
palakpakan natin.
Sex Bomb Girls. Sino ba? I guess Jopay, no? I would choose Jopay. If you guys remember, there's an era of Sex Bomb Girl na sobrang sumikat si Jopay, no? Na I know, again, marami nang sikat sa kanila. Most pinakasikat is of course the leader, Rochelle Pangilinan, but there's an era na sobrang sumikat si Jopay, no? Na nagkaroon pa nga ng kantang Jopay yung Mayonnaise, no?
Sex
I guess
Bomb
Jopay.
Girls,
I feel like Jopay is the better dancer as well. Is pagkakaalala ko, no? Is pagkakaalala ko.
May
Yeah.
nag-start sila ng movement sa
Yes,
Philippines.
yes.
Totoo,
Anong
no?
song nila yung favorite mo?
I mean, hindi pa natin masabi na officially that they're, a P-pop group. But technically, yung kung paano nagka-function yung Sex Bomb Girls, they function like a P-pop group, you know? They are a P-pop group if you think about it, right? May mga kasabi kasi ng Sex Bomb is di daw sila P-pop, but if you think about it, technically, ang Sex Bomb is a P-pop group. So, you can say na sila sa mga nauna, no? Hindi man nila parang ano yun? Ano sabihin to? Parang in-elevate talaga yung P-pop na grupo na parang inaano nila na, hey, this is P-pop. Yeah, we're gonna be competitive in terms of music and dancing sa Pilipinas at sa labas ng Pilipinas. But parang sila yung isa sa mga nagsimula no? Isa sa mga nagsimula, man. Trial and error.
Oy,
So ano yung
lumaba.
mag-work,
Don't
ano yung hindi.
demo. Demo konti.
Oy, lumaba.
Isang get out.
Get out. Panis.
Wala ka bang bayan?
Oh my God. Gagawa pa kaya ni Philip to ngayon? Pag tinanong kaya si Philip to ngayon, gagawin pa rin kaya namin. I guess, no? Kasi may mga mood si Ken na wala di mo talaga pipigilan yung kulit niya, no? Pero in an interview, man, gagawin pa rin kaya.
Gusto
pala.
namin malaman anong bias.
Si Jopay.
Makes sense. Oh, man. So far, we are interconnecting our fucking thoughts, Ken. I mean, it makes sense. Kasi si Jopay, no?
Ooh.
Jopay tsaka si Rochelle.
Jopay and
Okay.
Rochelle, mga OG.
That's true.
One Direction, yeah.
Uy!
One Direction. Harry Styles? I mean, before kasi parang ngayon kasi kung ngayon ako tatanungin, no, si Harry Styles yung sasabihin ko. Pero nagustuhan ko si Harry Styles ngayon na hindi na siya One Direction. I don't know, before kasi parang siya yung ang dating niya is parang siya yung leader sa One Direction. And parang hindi ko trip yung pagka-leader niya, yung dating na pagka-leader niya. So mas gusto ko si Zayn Malik noon. But technically, if you are going to ask me now kung sinong One Direction member yung gusto ko, si Harry Styles. But again, ang dahilan nun is because of the songs of Harry Styles ngayon. Hindi dahil ng One Direction sila. But you get what I mean. I guess, Harry Styles, sure.
Of course, isa rin
Yep.
sa mga sobrang laking...
One Direction.
Ano naman ang love mong song nila?
More Than This.
Mhm.
And yung your hand fits in my lunch, my ito.
Little Things.
Little Things.
Ah.
Kasi.
Sino ang bias mo sa 1D?
Si Harry Styles tsaka si Zayn po.
Oh my God. I swear to God, man. I swear to God, this is not a pre-watch, man. I swear to God, this is not a pre-watch, no. Oh my God, we are fucking just connecting right now, no? Ken, we're just interconnecting our brains right now. No, from the past, man, kasi luma na to, no? Matagal na panahon na to. I mean, hindi na matagal, but you know what I mean? This is fucking 3-4 years ago.
Silang dalawa.
Bakit si Harry and Zayn yung bias?
Personality siguro. And Zayn naman, sobrang ganda ng boses niya talaga.
Yeah, totoo. Na Zayn Malik, siya, yun yung dahilan ko bakit initially si Zayn Malik yung gusto kong. Kasi parang, I feel like, siya yung may pinakamagandang boses. Pero kaya hindi ko nagustuhan si Harry Styles nun kasi parang, si Zayn Malik yung may pinakamagandang boses. Pero parang, hindi siya yung masyadong na-highlight. Even though naging sobrang sikat si Zayn Malik noon na parang sobrang gwapo nga, di ba? But, in 1D universe, like on their music video, hindi talaga siya yung pinaka, I don't know, parang si Harry Styles yung laging pinaka na-highlight because maybe he's the leader or something. Even now, no? Pag yung mga kanta ni Zayn Malik is, maganda talaga yung boses ni Zayn Malik. But I don't know. I feel like, mas nag-grow sa akin yung mga kanta ni Harry Styles ngayon. No? Yeah.
Yung mga runs niya and everything.
Yeah, true.
Okay,
Yes.
next.
Next. BTS.
Ooh!
BTS.
Siyempre,
No?
hindi pwede mo wala.
I feel like sobrang daming pipili kay Jungkook dito, no? Or kay, what's the name of this guy again? I'm sorry. Man. Basta, I mean, kung ako pa pipiliin to si RM, yung pipiliin ko, no? RM pipiliin ko. But, again, I guess most of the people pipiliin si Jungkook. And fuck, I forgot his name. Man. Shit. Hindi tayo magko-continue hanggat di ko naalala. Si, ano nga ulit yung pangalan nito? No way. Nasa dulo siya ng dila ko eh. Shit. I mean, I guess marami din pipili kay J-Hope, no? But, shit. Sino ba to? This guy has a great voice, man. Napanood ko yung mga clips na ito na nagla-live siya. Tapos kumakanta siya ng Justin Bieber song. Lalo na kanta niya yung Yukon ni Justin Bieber. Ang ganda ng boses niya eh. I forgot his name, man. I'm sorry. I forgot his name. Just comment down below. But yeah, I feel like marami pipili sa kanya or kay J-Hope or kay Jungkook, of course. But I'm gonna choose RM, man. RM is just dope rapper. All in all, man.
Ayan.
Yeah.
So, ano ang favorite song mo naman ng BTS?
Butterfly.
Paano yun?
Butterfly, sure.
Butterfly, like a butterfly, like a butterfly.
Yay! Okay, sino ang BTS bias mo?
Rap Monster ba?
Oh my god. What the fuck? No, hey. We're just fucking acing every answer. We're just always connecting. I am so blown away. What the fuck?
RM.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yan naman.
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay, next.
Red Velvet.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Anong
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know this group. I cannot answer this. This is a skip for me. I don't know this group. I'm sorry.
song ng Red Velvet ang pinakagusto mo?
Di ko maalala yung isang song na pinakagusto sa kanila, pero may alam ako. Pero ayun, Psycho po. Isa po sa favorite ko na kanta na Psycho.
Maganda yun. Okay, so sino ang bias mo sa Red Velvet?
Alam mo sa reaction niya na nagagandahan talaga siya sa kante kasi maganda yun. Ganda talaga yung reaction niya.
Maganda yun. Okay, so sino ang bias mo sa Red Velvet?
Wendy. Wendy ba?
Oo.
Sino kaya to? Twice. Nako.
Yay!
Eto, Twice.
Hindi ko masyadong alam yung pangalan ng mga member ng Twice.
Sabi mo sa Twice.
Ang dami nila.
Oo, ang dami
Ang dami
nila.
nila. Di ko sila makilala ng buong buo.
Dami mo
Basta may
Aha.
kilala lang ako na gusto ko sa kanila. Ganun lang.
So ano gusto mong song ng Twice?
Ua. Ua.
Paano yan?
Yan. Yan, pwede yun.
Okay, so sino
Oh, mapagandyan pa kaya si Ken ngayon.
na sa Twice ang iyong bias?
Momo.
Momo.
Yeah.
NSYNC. Part din ba
Oh.
ng childhood mo?
Yes, panigurado.
I mean, it's Justin Timberlake, man.
Opo.
So, ano yung favorite mo sa
I feel like Justin Timberlake is the better dancer and singer and charismatic sa grupo ng NSYNC.
songs nila? Daming mga hits ng NSYNC.
Dami po eh. It's gonna be me.
It's gonna be me.
Akin pop, dirty pop. Dirty pop.
Yeah.
It's gonna be me. So, sino na ang iyong bias sa NSYNC?
Justin Timberlake. I think lahat naman eh.
Diba? Lahat naman talaga. That's the reason why na sobrang sumikat si Justin Timberlake because sa lahat, sa buong, siya yung may pinakamagandang boses, no? He's the better dancer. He's the most charismatic member. Parang si Josh, no? Charismatic member ng NSYNC, no? That's the reason why nung nag-disband na sila at nag-solo-solo na sila, sobrang nag-skyrocket yung career ni Justin Timberlake. So I guess tamang sinabi ni Ken dito na halos lahat naman siguro, no?
Oo.
Yeah, Justin Timberlake.
Okay, and I think nasa last na tayo.
Parang ubos ng
Ayun.
last
May
one.
isa pang sumisilip.
So ayun, last
Sino
one na to,
kaya
guys.
ito?
Last one, ha? Oh, I had to answer this because gusto ko sila lahat. Maliban kay Songri, no? We don't talk about that guy anymore, if you know what I mean. But technically, either Taeyang or GD, man. Taeyang or GD. Top as well, no? All of them, actually. Man. Oh, no. Kailangan mo mamili isa lang. I love Taeyang pagdating ng like R&B-ish, no? And gusto ko naman si Top pagdating sa like just pure fucking rapping, no? Just fucking a rap monster, man. Naging RM, no? But GD is an all-rounder. He can sing, he can rap, he looks so fucking dope. Lalo na sa Crook music video, yung pinakauna kong napakinggan na kanta ni GD, yung sarili niyang kanta lang. That song is fucking Yawan and Gong. So at the same time, we have Deso with his fucking angelic voice. So, am I going to choose? I guess if, kung meron tayong baril sa ulo, papapiliin tayo no, na bigla-biglaan lang. I guess I'm going to choose GD. But technically, I don't have bias sa Big Bang. So sila lahat. No? Maliban kay Songri, we don't talk about that guy anymore.
Big Bang.
Okay, so what can you say about Big Bang?
Oh, kita mo?
Big Bang.
Okay, so what
They didn't even put Songri in here anymore. Because we don't talk about that guy anymore, man. We don't talk about that guy anymore.
can you say about Big Bang?
Ayan, gaya na sabi ko na sobrang fan ako ng mga groups na sobrang may kanya-kanyang personality, may kanya-kanyang may identity na makikilala mo sila, sobrang easy kikilala na isa-isa.
So, ano naman yung favorite mo sa lahat ng kanta nila?
Bad Boy.
And, eto na.
Okay. Bad Boy. Ano ba ang favorite kong kanta nila? Monster. I feel like there's a lot of emotions kasi sa Monster. No? I guess Monster.
Let's reveal who's your bias sa Big Bang.
Desong and GD.
Okay. I mean, technically correct because I don't even have a bias, no? Desong is just fucking great vocalist, man. And GD is just all-rounder, no? So, parang GD is if papipiliin ka, gun to your head, no? Sa member ng Big Bang, GD na pipili mo kasi GD is all-rounder. But again, if we're talking about personality, magkakaiba sila ng personality, no? But, yeah, I mean, I'm leaning more towards GD and Top. So, technically, me and Ken still connecting maybe half of our brain cells. Answer na yan.
Right, so, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos.
Okay.
Ang ating Who's Your Bias.
Alright.
Dahil bukod dyan sa 10 groups na yan, meron tayong bonus round. Oo. Pero isa lang naman to, huwag kang makilala.
Okay.
So, gusto namin malaman, who's your bias sa...
SB19. Okay.
SB19!
Dapat sasabihin niya, hindi pa yung piliin yung sarili, no? Siyempre, pinaka-safe answer niya doon, ako, no? O ganon.
Okay, sino?
Alam naman na eh. Gusto ko sila lahat. Pero kailangan talaga mamili ng isa.
Yes, who's your bias?
Pili ko dalawa.
Okay, sige. Dalawa.
Pablo and Stel. Silang dalawa talaga.
I see that, no? I see that kung bakit. Kasi parang, like kung napapansin kay Ken, na sobrang believe siya kay Pablo in terms of writing music and musically, like everything about music, sobrang nabibilib siya kay Pablo. Lagi niya pinapasalamatan si Pablo sa pagsusulat ng kanta nila, sa, like kung narinig ko sa mga interview, hindi ko siya masyado pinapansin kasi almost all of them naman binibigyan ng props si Pablo. Pero na sobrang maramdaman mo talaga pag siya sabi niya na nagpapasalamat siya kay Pablo sa pagtulong sa ganyan ganito. So I see it, no? I see it. I see kung bakit si Stel din is pinipili niya as a bias, no? It actually makes sense kung bakit itong dalawa yung, kumbaga, let's say na si Ken is hindi member ng SB19, kung bakit pipili niya to as bias, no?
Pablo and
Yes.
Stel. Okay. Thank you, ang tapang. Talaga
Thank you.
sumasagot si Philip. I love it.
Yes.
Thank you so much for
you po.
joining us dito sa Who's Your Bias. Maraming salamat. Let us know sino pa yung next yung gusto namin i-guest dito. But for now, thank you so much for playing
Thank you
Who's
po.
Your
Maraming
Bias. And
salamat po.
again, congratulations sa iyong release ng Bulan. Please promote and invite everyone.
So ayun po yung Bulan po. It's out on YouTube and yung audio niya po nakalabas na po sa mga
Spotify.
platforms po. So make sure to check it out. Ayun po sa YouTube channel ko po. Check Philip Bulan. Panoorin niyo po yung music video ko. Thank you.
Parang no? Parang nahihiya pa siya dito.
Yay! By the way, thank you sa Superior Son. Ito yung limited edition na P-Popcon lang, no?
Yes po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's support Philip, guys. Bulan is out now. Thanks for playing Who's Your Bias?
Thank you po. Maraming salamat po.
Nice. That's a great one. All right. That is, again, Who's Your Bias with Philip from Mix Global. I actually enjoyed that, no? Na sobrang natutuwa ako na kung gaano kami kaparehas ng answer ni Ken dito. No, I swear to God, this is not a pre-watch, guys. This is not a pre-watch, no? But, yeah, I mean, all of the answer, all of the groups na nabunot naman kasi, parang it makes sense na yun yung pipili mong bias. I don't know why. Maybe it makes sense for me because yun yung pinili ko, no? But, I mean, I feel like most of the people will actually agree with me about that. But, you know what? I just remember the name of, it's Jimin from BTS. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Makakatulog na ako mamaya. And that's our reaction for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And comment down below if you want me to react to more of Philip or SB19, or if you want to react to your favorite artist, singer, rapper, song, just comment down below. We're gonna react to it. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome.